Hey folks, you're watching day 18 of my holiday vocal advent calendar. And today we're continuing with our series on diction tricks for a better belt. So today we're talking about how to pop the P and the B. So I want you to feel the difference between producing a P or a B with effort in the throat versus pressure in the mouth. So what we're looking for is a mouth explosion that makes your voice sound and feel bigger with less effort here. And so here's what I want you to differentiate. I want you to imagine you're going to say the word, or actually say the word back, like back off. And you're going to compare what it feels like to close your vocal folds first, and then close your lips, and then say it like this. Back off. Notice that tends to want to get a little constricted. So that's different than if you close your lips first, fill up your cheeks with air, and then close your vocal folds. So try that. Close the lips, fill up the cheeks, close the vocal folds, and then say it. Back off, Betty. Bumpity bump bump bumpity bump bump. Look at Frosty go. So when you build up intra-oral pressure, or the air pressure in your mouth first, and then you close the vocal folds, you get a better vocal explosion than you would if you just close the vocal folds and grip and then try to articulate. So whenever you are speaking or singing and encounter a P or a B, practice building up pressure in the mouth first before you pressurize at the level of the throat. Yeah? If you want to put that into a holiday context, you can work on Frosty the Snowman and work on your bumpity bump 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 bumps. So play with your P and B and report your findings in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video.